it came to you, if it came to you as a vision, then it is possible. Okay? It didn't come to anybody else but you. So that means that you gotta do the motherfucking work.
Let's take this overboard now.
Hey guys, come with me to work. We are going to Florida and I am going to check on my properties. I'm going to check on my houses and you guys get to come with me. So since I'm going to be on the road, I'm not really like going crazy with the beat. I'm just going to do my eyebrows and do my lashes. Just a nice little cover up. Very wispy. I don't know if I like them, but shit, good child, they staying. We are on our way to Florida. I'm playing passenger princess. I don't like driving for real, and I can't even find my license. So, yeah, we are about to get on the road and do the damn thing. Guys, excuse my energy. I was like real life irritated, so I was probably giving like a Debbie Downer, or I wasn't trying to get on the road. I literally lost my license and I was so fucking irritated because I real life feel like an immigrant without my shit. So anyway, we made it to Alabama, and from Alabama is not too far from where I'm going. So yeah, this is me just showing you guys the nice little scenery before we get into the tunnel. And yeah, you know when you lose some shit, but you know you put some shit down where you put it, and you can't blame nobody because nobody's trying to take the blame. So it's like, whatever. But here we are at our Airbnb. I'm just putting the code in right quick. This wasn't really my style. I like to be in an Airbnb where it's like downtown, or at least close to downtown, because I like the feeling of, okay, I'm here for work. I'm going to work, and it makes me feel more of a businesswoman. So over here is more like family friendly, which is okay, I guess. But I'm just checking it out, making sure, they ain't putting no cameras like they do so well. And one thing I gotta say is this Airbnb was so fucking disgusting. It smelled like a wet dog coming from the beach. Okay, like the linen, the towels, everything. Like, I came upstairs and that shit kicked me right in my fucking nose. So what I did was I contacted the host, and she's like, oh, maybe the cleaning lady didn't do such a good job. Do you mind just putting everything in a washer and, washing it? Like, bitch, why the fuck was I paying cleaning fee if I'm going to be doing the cleaning? Like, that's crazy as hell. But I'm over here just telling you guys how tired I am and how annoyed I was and whatever. And I'm just about to go to sleep because even though today wasn't today, I still have to show out and show up because they know I'm showing up. They know I'm going to be there. So I got to be there and not be square. Not be square. Good morning. It's your girl. I am up. I am refreshed. I am ready to go, honey. So first things first, I already ate. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm about to get freshened up some more and head over to planning and zoning. Now, planning and zoning is just basically like a building that lets you just do what the fuck you want to do. You really got to get like the city sign off on like if you want to like build from the ground up. You pretty much, in the state of Florida, have to go to a department of planning and zoning and pretty much get like the okay signature. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what I'm going to do because I have a house. Well, I have a land that's just pretty much sitting there. And so I need a septic tank. I need shit to be framed. And pretty much, like I said, I need the okay to do this shit. So yeah, I'm going to go out there and do that. I'm not going to really have my phone because I really want to make sure that I hear what's going on from A to Z, from 1 to 100, So yeah, let's go. Let's get into some work, guys. Okay, guys, so we are at planning and zoning. I got my shit. I got my dad's stuff because he also has a house in Florida. So I'm also handling stuff from him for him too. But when it comes to this shit, guys, you want to make sure that you are on your P's and Q's. Whatever that is. What the fuck is a P's and Q? Like, y'all tell me in the comments. But you want to make sure that you is on your shit, because any little thing, you gonna have to turn right around, and it's like a whole upside down type thing. So yeah, I had to make sure I get my latte because, yeah, that is important. But I want to show you guys the next thing that is finally finished. Now, if you've been following my Instagram, my real estate Instagram as well, you will see the process. You would have seen like the craziness. Like, girl, guys, I was literally pulling my hairs, and now it is finally finished. And yeah, we already got a tenant, and she's amazing. And I think she's going to be a long-term tenant because, I mean, look around. This is a whole new shit. Like, everything is new. Like, why the fuck would she be a long-term tenant, right? But everything's new. The countertop, the lighting is to die for. And you guys know I love cooking, so I would love this kitchen. But this is somewhere else that I'm taking you guys. This is a big ass land. This is like the next big thing, guys. And we're gonna make this a whole subdivision. And when I tell you guys, I'm excited but scared at the same time, because I know it's gonna take a lot, and it's gonna be plenty of headache. I'm not gonna speak that it's gonna be plenty of headache. It's gonna go easy peasy, right? And this is something else that I also want to show you guys. I'm gonna put 2 shotgun houses, and I'm gonna knock off that tree. Once I knock off that tree, it's gonna create more space, and we'll be able to make 2 shotgun houses, and it's gonna be beautiful, guys. It's gonna be cute as hell. So in the beginning, if you follow my Instagram real estate page, you'll see how I had this blue house, and it had like a big ass land next door, which was included with that property. And so what I did was I just built a house literally like right next door. So that's one of the perks of having a house or building shit in Florida. Like, there's a lot of things that you could do. I know in New Jersey, it would be like a big deal. So guys, so just a little like motivational speaking. I really don't know what to tell y'all. I think that there's a lot of people that I talk to that they always tell me, "Oh my God, I want to get into real estate. I always want to get into real estate," and they tell me that they want to, but they just never follow through. And so if this is you that been wanting to get into real estate, all I could tell you is just do it. Okay, do your research, find your people, and just do it. Like, dead ass. No one is gonna do it for you. No one is really gonna like put it on your lap. Now, lucky for me, my dad gave me 2 houses in New Jersey, and I just built off of that. Like, I built off of that equity, and I just like, it's been like a rolling bush since then. So thankfully I had my dad that was like real life, like being a parent. Okay, like literally like passing down generational wealth. But so now there's ways where you can start your real estate with no money. Okay, so I don't want anybody feeling discouraged thinking that, oh yeah, they have to have so much money to start. You don't. I have so many lots, and I don't talk about it because I guess when you have your head down, just working, and then when you look up, you be like, damn, I really was going ham, or I really was putting in work. And so I think this is a moment for me to just stop and smell the roses and just look how far I've got. And I'm so appreciative. I'm so thankful for that. And like I said, it could be you too, but it has to start with you. No one's ever going to drag you out of bed and say, hey, let's do this right now. Okay? I mean, if you have somebody that, yeah, but most likely it starts with your vision. Okay, like you have to start. You have to do it. And yeah, I wish you guys the best. I hope that, you know, you guys start your businesses and anything else that you guys want to do in your life, because if it came to you, if it came to you as a vision, then it is possible. Okay, it didn't come to anybody else but you, so that means that you gotta do the motherfucking work. Until next time, guys, catch y'all on my next video. Bye.